So muna yung address niya, no? Gikan sa Florida. Ang ruta niya is from Florida to New York and then New York to Makati. So pinick up ko na lang siya doon sa Makati office, Johnny Air Cargo New York, Makati office nila. Ito na guys. Ayan, gagawin seal pala nito. Okay, so nandito na yung mga products. Completer siya, no? Meron siyang detalye. Okay, magkano yung lahat including the shipment. Actually, yung shipping na to na 32.74 is from Florida to New York. And then may iba pang shipping cost na from New York to Makati. So ito yung mga product natin. Meron tayong yung sinabi na premium essential oils. Yan. So ito yung bagong product ni Live Good. Ito. So wala natin ilagay. And then ito yung protein. Complete plant-based protein. So dalawa pala to. So yan. Dalawang plant-based protein. And then we have organic coffee. Yan. So medyo marami-rami yung order natin ngayon. Yan, organic coffee. And meron tayong Super Reds. Yan, Super Reds. Dalawa pala itong Super Reds. Tapos, tatlo pala. So, tatlong Super Reds order natin. Kasi may kasama tayo kaibigan na nagpa-order din. And we have Super Greens. So, yung Super Greens natin. And ito yung creatine. Yes, creatine po. Ayan. Creatine B. Tatlo pala yung Super Greens na order natin. Super Greens, tatlo pala yan. Yan yung Energy E3, no? Energy, Endurance, Electrolytes. Ito, masubukan to. Kasi naglalaro tayo ng lawn tennis, naglalaro tayo ng bowling. So nakikita natin yan. At saka mayroong Factor 4. Ito yung para sa mga may arthritis, mga inflammation. And we have multivitamins for women, no, with iron yan. And then magnesium. So there's magnesium. Dalawang magnesium. So, I don't know bakit mayroong sleep patches. Baka order to ng isang kaibigan ko. Yan, sleep patches po. Support deep restful sleep. Improve sleep quality. Wake up refreshed. Natural ingredients. Last up to 8 hours. So, this is good for 30-day supply. 1 patch daily. So, ito po yung mga products na dumating sa atin ngayon. So far, yun lang. Nag-order pa ako ng yung sa international package free ang shipping. So, I think while waiting for that order, so at least meron na akong ginagamit ngayon. So, yun lang muna ngayon, mga kalibgod. Maraming salamat and see you in my next video. Bye!